I'm going to teach you how to build muscle in a way a 10-year-old could understand it. Number one,
you must progressively overload your muscles. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. You've got to understand rep ranges. There's rep ranges like 4 to 6, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. These are the main ones we're going to be focusing on today. For your compound lifts, men 4 to 6, women 8 to 10, isolations 10 to 12.
so this is how they work. Let's say you're doing squats and you're using the 4 to 6 rep range.
Let's say you pick up a weight and you cannot do 4 reps. Well, that's the lower limit. And if you can't hit the lower limit, you're going to lower the weight 5 pounds or 2 kilos. Now, let's say you pick up a weight and you hit 5 reps. Well, that means you're going to stay, and that's the weight that's appropriate for you. Now, let's say you hit 6 reps. Well, that's the upper limit, and that means you're ready to move up in weight, 5 pounds or 2 kilos. And remember, that's total, so 2.5 pounds on each side of the barbell. If you apply that system to every single one of your exercises, you will build muscle and you will get stronger. You also want to make sure that with each set you do, you're coming 1 rep shy of failure. And that is it, guys.
So that was an outstanding video. I love the way he broke that down, because the biggest mistake I see people make is that when they have a rep range, let's say it's 8 to 12, they think if they do 8 reps, then they're lazy. But if they hit 12 reps, they're super hard workers. The truth is you should stick to a rep range for every exercise that you do and aim to hit failure in the middle of that rep range. Like, let's say our rep range on bicep curls is 6 to 8 reps. Ideally, you hit failure on that 7th rep. If you can't hit 6, then you lower the weight. But if you can do more than 8, then you increase the weight. My only critique is that I just wouldn't do a rep range from 4 to 6. And also, there really shouldn't be a difference between the rep ranges for men and for women. And my advice is that if you're intermediate to advanced in the gym, use a 6 to 8 rep range. But if you're a beginner, do 8 to 10 or 10 to 12. Just so you can really build that mind muscle connection with lesser weight but higher reps.